just won $1 million. You want to quit your dreams or
Actually, I would not like to quit my dreams. On the other hand, I would like to establish a financial stability model so that I don't have to rely on sponsors and brands and on my job, and I would invest by myself in to fulfill my dreams.
Okay.
What professional goals have you set for yourself?
Can you please repeat?
What professional goals have you set for yourself?
Professional goals that you have set for yourself.
The professional goals I have set for myself, the primary goal of my life is to establish a financial stability model for myself, and then to go abroad for my further studies. Thank you so much.
Tell me about your skills and experience.
If we talk about my skills, I am more inclined and interested in filmmaking, so I just try to spare my free time into learning direction. And the other thing, would you like to repeat again? What did you ask? Experiences. I just recorded. I'm just planning to shoot a documentary with my friend. So we are working on its storyline and direction. And in past, I have just created some filmmaking content.
Alright, yes.
Do you consider yourself successful? Why?
I would not like to confess that I am going to be successful. Rather than I would prefer to be good at what I am doing or what I want to do. And the other thing I would prefer to do just to enjoy the process of reaching that destination. Thank you so much.
Okay, so your hands are shivering, huh? कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. लेकिन you handled the questions very well.
Yes, sir.
Mashallah, keep it up. Good job.